another edition of the AK Option Trader. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate any input you can give me at www.akoptiontrader.com. All right, let's jump right into her. In a weird couple days, one thing I noticed today is that last hour of the day was not like it has been all week. Today is Thursday, and we did not have that phenomenal little pop there the last hour of the day. Here's the Dow. I keep scrolling in, taking my time. Just want to show you something. Check out the volume on this thing. 1, 2, 3 days in a row going down. 1, 2, 3 days in a row going up. This here is what we call a bearish divergence. In other words, it means it should not continue going up. You look right here, you kind of have the same type of thing, and then boom, down. You had your down 3 days in a small sense of the word there. So keep an eye on this. I'm thinking we're going to turn or hit the 50 moving average. I thought we'd have a nice move if we could blow through here, but we're not blowing through, people. I think we're turning down for another drop. What'll be interesting to see if we break this low here or not. Whatever that is, 81.98 right in here. That's the one we got to watch for. If we can hold this trend line or this line here, then we can have another move up. That would be bullish. Long term would be in a good bullish move. Anyway, so keep an eye on that. I thought was interesting and worth noting tonight. Here we got the S&P. Zoom in on this bad boy, and you can see I kind of adjusted the trend line since we broke out that triangle. I put these extra lines on here just for clarity for me. We broke out the triangle. Now we're hitting resistance on this one here. We're coming up to this one. We hit it twice now. We've hit this trend down there. So 1, 2, 3, close, and then back 4 times here. Forming another triangle. We can call it from down here to this line here. So we should be hitting this and coming back down. See if we break this again or if we come all the way back down here. Short term, I think we're bearish on here. MACD looks like it's starting to turn bearish on me a little bit here. Stock RSI looks bullish, like we should rally, but I'm not seeing it, man. Just ain't seeing it. And then, of course, my fave, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ got something interesting going on candle-wise, not just chart-wise. Pardon me. We've got ourselves a hanging doji star out there. Look at that beautiful thing. That thing is a reversal signal waiting to happen right there. Right on the 50. It'd be better if it's outside the top one band, but it's sitting on the 50 moving average. That's pretty darn good to me. Or pardon me, it's a 25 moving average, but it's sitting right in the middle of it. And it's enough resistance with that candle signal to me would signal a reverse. It's still not showing it. Nothing's showing it yet. It just feels like it to me. And I wouldn't be surprised to see us turn down. The key is going to be, again, if we hold this trend line or not. You know, if we break this trend line, we could be heading down to at least here. If we don't, if we hold the trend line, we could bounce and head right back up. All right. So watching a few charts here. Here's one I've been wanting to show you guys. I guess I should mute in the screen and capture an area. How's that? Pretty skookum, eh? BKE. This is one I'm watching. Tomorrow it's going to split. I've been kind of keeping an eyeball on it a little bit. Obviously, a nice, beautiful head and shoulders pattern right here. It broke down, you can gap through it, which is lovely. Now it's bouncing back up. It's going to hit this 40. I'd be looking for this thing to reverse after it splits tomorrow. So this is one I'd like to see play. Again, you've got the volume decreasing going into it on an up move. Everything points to a downturn on this one, and I would not be surprised to see it drop all the way back down here. Of course, it's going to be half price tomorrow because it's splitting. So anyway, I don't know. The options probably aren't going to be too playable for the first day or two after the split. Keep an eye on them. Sometimes they act a little bit goofy, but that's just one to keep an eyeball on. We got Murphy Oil here. Murphy Oil did better than expected on earnings. Gapped up, but I think this gap's going to exhaust right here, and I think it's going to turn right back down. So just keep an eye on it. It did not have, again, good, strong volume for this up move today. I mean, compare that with what you got over here, and it really is quite pathetic. So I would be surprised to see that bad boy turn around. I think the December options on that. Now let's take a quick peek at them. I think the December options on that one were not too bad. On the puts, got 640, 670. That is not too bad. That's in this market, that is playable. So you can look around there somewhere. What do we got next? Hold on here. Oh, Staples. Staples again. They had earnings came out better than expected. That kind of an exhaustion gap to me, though. Again, this one's more speculative, but I like the way it closed right near that resistance. The way it's exhausting. It had a little bit stronger volume than Murphy Oil. The indicators are pointing up, but I just don't see it holding this rally. I think we're going to have a move back down here to the 17 at least before it takes back up. That would be one to watch. And then I'm just going to go back and look at one that we talked about last week, Cisco. Shishko, I think it's time to sell. I think it was time to sell yesterday on Cisco. On a strong day here, we were down 8 cents, 0.045. Don't know if we're going to make that 20, especially if we try to fight the market, depending how we open up tomorrow. I would be looking to sell your Cisco. Should have a small profit on that bad boy. And get out of it. That's all I got for tonight. I should have some more here by Sunday. Happy trading to you. This is AK Option Trader signing off.